All right, 3, 2.
Oh, wait.
Now I forgot my intro again.
Sorry, I had to bring that back down.
All right, 3, 2, 1. We're going to show you how to game at 1080p for $300.
And it's very easy to do. We're going to put together this PC and show you how with this Optiplex and graphics card you can get... I'm just repeating what he said. My bad.
I feel so good, too.
My bad.
And that's why you can game for $300.
I'll keep it simple. I got it.
Today we're going to teach you... Are you good? You didn't look good. Today we're going to show you how to game for just $300.
And it's super easy to do. Follow along for today's video.
No! Okay.
Nah.
Last one.
All right, last one or else the video's done.
Yeah, I promise. We just walk out for the day. All right. And the reason this is a different build compared to the other ones we've done here on the channel is it features an 8th gen i5, which is a 6-core, 6-thread.
Yep. I don't know what that just came out.
Yep. Oh, that's a good one.
It's that kind of day. We're 3 videos deep. All right.
Okay, you all
Feeling grotesque.
You're like leaning too far to the left, you're too far to the right.
All right, we'll get more centered. I apologize, Jonah.
You're still
Sir,
too close.
Do I need to move?
You need to move to the right. Move in one more, Jackson. There you go.
There we go. We did it.
We're slowly becoming, what's his face?
Was this like a Gamer's Nexus?
Gamer's Nexus,
This
yeah.
is. We're diving into.
God.
We're like the TISM version of Gamer's Nexus.
There you go.
Hey.
It's just weird. It's like the 2 PCs. It makes me feel weird. Recording?
Yeah, record.
I hate. We don't have the good beep anymore. I never know.
Yeah, no, it's not recording, and then like, I don't stop recording.
He almost called me.
I'm sitting there like this.
You're like that picture.
I feel like that picture right now. I feel like fucking Carl, bro. I'm like God. I was like, God.
Honestly, the way you just did looks just like that picture. Like the way you just did that, like that's exactly it.
All
Oh
right.
man, all right.
Little Carl. Okay. I wish Zach had that picture pulled up just on his desktop when they walked in. All right. Oh, PC Bros. Yeah.
Yes.
I forgot what we were doing. All right. So now that you guys have gotten to, that's not going to be for sale.
You can't buy this computer.
This one, and this one already sold. All right. See,
that's my least
Jonah
favorite
really
part.
watches us. He knows.
I edit every morning stream, so I know how this goes.
Is that Toasty Clip shout out?
Yes, Toasty
So
Clips.
Zach, can you tell me what does Matt normally do?
Nothing.
Exactly. Absolutely nothing.
Throwing the power supply should not take you too long. Matt usually beats me. Physically.
Matt beats you.
Physically. Help.
I physically beat him.
Help.
Figuring it out, right? Oh, this is sturdy.
Is it metal?
No. Oh, it's magnetic.
Plastic?
Boy, if you need to jump in and help him, I'll take the camera. Think you got it?
I think he has it.
I got it. Don't call me mechanic boy for nothing.
I don't think anybody's ever called you that.
Oh!
Now, if I was stupid, which one would I use for the power
Zach in the
supply?
head. Huh?
I said, if I was stupid, which one would I use? I'm assuming the smaller ones.
If he was stupid. God.
Here, Zach, I have an idea.
This is
Let's
weird.
just ruin
This
this
is
computer
different. It's a
so
different
they
angle.
can't sell it at PC Bros and then we take it home.
And then we can buy it on discount.
Yes, exactly.
The Scratch It Didn't special.
They already
Alright,
said I
start
could get
damaging
50%
everything.
off.
Who said that?
Jackson.
I,
You know what the best part about their thermal paste? It's cotton candy flavored. Go ahead, give it a taste.
your
All right,
life.
chat.
Your life
How's
is a
your
good
day going,
joke.
chat? See the latest UK game? Crocs, sports, Corgi.
Matt's Google search history.
There's
McAllister,
definitely
I
a-
just want you to know Zach's already said so many heinous things. You're gonna
I
have to
said
cut out.
one heinous thing.
Jonah, is that a bald spot?
You're lying.
Okay, this isn't funny.
He can't focus anymore.
My goal is to have every fan slightly off-centered to make Jonah go crazy.
You're lying, right?
Plus, I've heard it's
Man.
fine if I don't use all the case fans
Man.
because Matt never does it.
What do you mean?
Man,
Take one. Oh God.
we have to be.
There we go. That thermal paste spread was sad. It makes me very sad. That's some stock thermal paste spread right there, and that's an example of you honestly could do some aftermarket paste. So this is the i5 13400F, same socket, same size and everything, it's just one generation newer. Now if you get a B660M, it will work with the CPU, but there's a very good chance you'll need to update the BIOS to support it. That's why we did a B760. All right, let's go ahead and clean off our CPU, and the thermal paste spread is making me sad, so I almost want to just apply my own thermal paste. Maybe I'll show you guys how to do that, you know? So I'm gonna take some MX paste, and you can do this so many different ways. I personally like doing a kind of long, kind of skinnier line. So now I'm gonna do the same thing as before. I'm gonna put the cable in a spot that I like, which, right here, there we go. Wait, is that not even Goodwill? Is that?
I don't know many people who act. Well, thank you so much.
His other friend was like, give me a high zero, held up.
I'm trying to be like in Jedi. The only reason I'm gonna have kids is to raise an army.
Jonah, you're shit. You're a little shitter. You kept me from getting coffee. F you. All right, guys, just.
Oh, what's going on with that?
Oh, we're in the BIOS doing. Oh God. Oh no.
Uh-oh.
Oh God. Oh.
We're in the bio. Oh, God.
Oh God. What? Oh,
What happened?
Oh, we're in diagnostic mode. It's doing like the screen test mode now. Jonah, what did you do? Jonah! Ah!
Make it stop.
I turned it off. Okay.
It's not. It's like.
That's bad.
Jonah, it's $12. People can get solid meals for $12.
Wait. Look at this. This is the UK layout.
That is the UK layout with a little shift.
Worth mentioning that.
All right, is it gonna boot and not go? I think every time I've been turning it on, I've been spamming keys and then it's going into the BIOS and causing problems. Warning, battery, oh, yep, the battery just is crap. There it is.
Oh.
Battery is critically low. Good to know about the battery, Smile. Why is it doing the screen test again? Stop. Were colors displayed? Yes, they were. Oh my, what is happening? Alienware, no, don't do all this. Testing webcam, what is going on? Can I exit this?
Yeah.
CPU fan test, it's doing all the tests.
Well guys, that was a lot of PC building, but I am really happy with how both of these turned out. So what was your all's thoughts on using the new IQ Link? We can pause right there.
The amount of cables that they had behind the panel was incredible. Like it was, if someone, I'm gonna redo that. All right, way more convenient and just easy to set up.
Anything, Zach?
I can build computer.
Is there anything I need?
A big shout out again to Corsair for sponsoring this video.
I kind of want to do my side. I kind of want to redo my section. I feel like I was just rambling.
You can go for it. I mean, McAllister will cut it up for you, or you can just say your part again. Go for it. We're recording.
Ah, shit. Okay. While I was watching.
Sorry. One more time. I was in the middle of time.
Okay.
I don't want to cut you off. All right.
While I was watching Jackson Max. God damn. Oh my God. Okay.
So this graphics card, as Jackson's going to be talking about, is the. Oh boy. But yes, this. I just died for a second there. All right.
Today we're going to be parting together a
This isn't going to work, is it? But we're about to find out. But first, a word from today's sponsor. Oh, I was rolling, then I messed it up.
Keep rolling. Should I just redo it?
Yeah, I guess so. Yeah. There's no way this is actually going to work right, but we're going to find out. But first, a word from today's sponsor.
Today's sumo wrestler.
Nice.
What? Bro, why don't I want to say the sponsor? The sponsor's throwing me off.
Today we're going to be throwing together one of the most...
The most heinous.
Today we're going to be... God, what did I say before? Building game PC with throwing...
Today we're gonna be
Building our worst.
Probably one of our worst gaming PCs that we've ever built.
I'll just say that. I don't need to throw them together. Right. Today we're probably going to be building one of the worst gaming PCs ever. No.
I mean,
God, I was doing so good.
Johnny, you wanted bloopers. There's no way this PC is going to work right. Well, we're about to find out. But first, a word from today's sponsor. I was trying to hold it.
I was almost, if it happened again, I was like, you need to add a space so that we can just continue from there.
All right, guys, we have built our computer, and we got to see if it turns on. Let's go.
Sama Bulist for the win. Some Bulist.
Did I still get the front panel wrong? Ah!
It's time.
It's time, boy.
Y'all ready for the outro?
Aye, aye, Captain. Drops the camera.
Are you ready, kids?
We're ready.
Bald spot.
That's crazy. Ah. We.
Let's go, buddy.
I load in. Immediate game over.
You won.
I won. I mean, they ended the game because they knew I was about to go crazy on 720.
So wait, okay. Look, what
Let it cook.
we think we may have found a hidden gem for you guys. So stay tuned and let us unbox this for you.
This gaming PC is
You
one.
didn't like that? Okay.
Stay tuned. They literally just clicked the video.
That's true. Okay. All right. All right.
Goodbye. Wham. Yeah.